Hi, all my creative friends out there. Have you ever heard of a song called Wheels on the Bus? Yeah, I know you have. So, wouldn't it be cool to learn how to draw a bus? Well, come on, let's do it. Okay, so to draw a bus, let's start with some basic shapes. We'll do a big rectangle like this for the body, and then we'll do a square on the front. Now let's do two wheels, because we all know the wheels on the bus go round and round. We'll do two circles because they're round. Okay, now how do you get in and out of the bus? Well, there's usually a big door on the front, and the driver sits right about there, so they need a window. And then all the kids sit in the bus back here, so they need windows too. You can see we're just doing some squares and another big rectangle to make that. You can see now we have a basic sketch for a bus. Now let's go ahead and outline this bus with a little thicker, like this. And I think on the front end, we'll come down kind of like at an angle, like a half circle. Then we'll do a straight line across the top, another straight line in the back. Let's go ahead and meet those in the corner. And now let's do our big round wheels. One circle and two circles. Then we continue that line underneath where it meets in the front. Now we have the basic shape of our bus. So let's go in and add some of these little details. First of all, you got to put another circle inside of these wheels. There's one. There's two. Now on the front and the back of the bus, there's bumpers. Every car has bumpers. Now, let's get these windows in here because that's where the kids have to see outside. We're just gonna keep drawing our squares just like this. Have you ever ridden on a bus yet? If not, I'm sure you've heard the song, The Wheels on the Bus. There we go. Now all of our kids have a place to sit and they can see outside. Now the door is usually really tall like this because there's stairs that come in the front and you have to get on the bus. Well, let's not forget about our driver. The driver has to be able to see outside. There we go. Now, usually on a bus, you have what's called a stop sign, so that when the bus comes to a stop, you can get out and cross the street safely. And a stop sign will always be what's called an octagon. Now, an octagon has 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. So, there is the basic shape of our bus. We can even go in and add some more details. Usually the windows will have little lines on them that go straight through the middle, just like that. And our door will usually have one big one that goes right down the middle. Now on the side of the bus, let's do 2 big black lines that go front to back, just like that. And you know what? On the front of the bus, let's do a little black area like that as well, because that's where all the air comes in while the bus is driving. And there we have it. Make it really look like a bus by adding colors. Do you know what color a bus is? A school bus is usually always yellow. So let's go in and add our yellow color to for the whole bus. So you saw when we made this bus, we used some really basic shapes, didn't we? We used a rectangle, we used circles, we used squares, and then you even learned what an octagon is. Now a stop sign will always be red, and that's so it catches a lot of attention. You never miss it. Because red will usually mean stop. And actually, it'll even say the word stop inside of it. Just like that. Now, we have to color these. Now that's one good looking school bus right there. And you can go in and you can add all kinds of details, anything you want. You can add fenders that go over the wheels like this. You can maybe add little lights on the front and the back of the bus. And now you see how easy that was to draw a bus. Maybe next time you draw it, you can sing, "The wheels on the bus go round and round." As you're drawing, the doors on the bus go open and shut. See how fun art can be? We use basic shapes like squares and circles, and you can draw your own bus. I'll see you guys next time. Bye friends, thanks for drawing with me.